Okay, another one I see here is how do I see the Kiwi Canadian? Okay, Kiwi Cat. Kiwi Cat, we kind of cover it, I think, last week's session, right? We kind of have this drawing here if I'm not wrong. Okay, so I think nothing has changed since last week. In fact, market just came down a little bit more and currently entering the area that we mentioned last week. Okay, right now it's doing a little bit of a support there, which is not too bad. The divergence is still there if you bring it from all the way from this top to this bottom. So yeah, I mean, right now if you're more of a short-term trader, I think you can consider going down to the H1 and see this as a potential little double bottom structure, right? So what this means is that you can look for a potential entry using a H1 double bottom, okay, and potentially look for entry around 8380, right? And if you go back to the higher time frame, this is how it looks like. The upside is quite huge, so you just need to manage your trade along the way. If I were to extend this a little bit, naturally your take profit will be somewhere around there, right? Yeah, okay, if you're more conservative, then of course this would be a good area to take targets to. Okay, so yeah, I think Kiwi Cat is another one that definitely you can keep an eye on. We cover on this last week. We say potentially look for a buy if this continue to crawl. I think this week here seems to start to give us that setup and opportunity.